In this form we can create our own data to be random. You can also change the name of the button. In this example, I will customize this form for food picker. So I will put the name in pick button to pick food for today. And other button to add food. First I will click the Add Food button to add data to be random. I will get data from this website. I will just copy and paste the food in the summary. After we put the data, just close the Add Food button and hit the button Pick for today. And we will see the results. After we close the form, it will automatically show the workbook. And if you click the Show Form, the workbook will automatically hide. You can also clear, update and delete the data you put. You can download this in the description below. So that's all for this. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload videos. As always, thanks and be safe.